In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a Kit email template. We'll walk through the simplest possible way to update an existing email template. So if you're new to Kit or just want a quick refresher, you're in the right place. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what you can change, and how to save your work safely. First, make sure you're logged into your Kit account and you're on the main dashboard. From here, look at the very top of the screen for the main navigation. You'll see an option labeled Send. Go ahead and click on Send. This is the section where Kit organizes everything related to messages you send out, and that includes your email templates. Once the Send section loads, you'll see several options. What you want to look for is Email Templates. Click on Email Templates to open the list of all the templates currently available in your account. This could include templates that came with Kit by default, as well as any custom ones your team has created. Now, in the list of email templates, scroll until you find the specific template you want to edit. Each template will be listed by name. When you see the one you want to work on, click directly on its name. That's going to open the template in the editor view where you can make your changes. Once the template editor is open, focus on the right-hand sidebar. This is where you'll find all the style controls for your template. Depending on your setup, you can typically adjust things like fonts, font sizes, colors, spacing, and sometimes layout options. As you make changes in the right-hand sidebar, you should see those updates reflected in the main preview area of the email. Take your time here. Try out different styles, but make sure everything is consistent with your brand and easy to read. It's a good idea to occasionally pause and double-check the preview. Look at headings, body text, buttons, and links to make sure they all look the way you expect. If something doesn't look right, use the sidebar controls to fine-tune it. When you're happy with how your email template looks, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a Save button. Click Save to apply all of your changes to that template. Always make sure you see confirmation that your changes are saved before leaving the page or closing your browser. And that's all there is to it. Open Send, go to Email Templates, choose your template, adjust the styles in the right-hand sidebar, and save your work.